Hello students, today we will read a poem. The name of the poem is The Plaint of the Camel. This poem has been composed by an American poet and famous author, Charles Edward Carryl. He is famous for his writing stories basically made for children. He was born in New York on December 30, 1841. Though he was a businessman, but he liked to believe that he wrote for his children and for himself. Students, I hope all of you have seen Camel, right? This is a poem about a camel who complains regarding his food, dwelling place, about its features, etc. The Plaint of the Camel. Plaint means complaint. Students, are you eager to know the camel's complaint? Let's read the poem. So the first stanza. Canary birds feed on sugar and seeds. Parrots have crackers to crunch. And as for the poodles, they tell me the noodles have chicken and cream for their lunch. But there's never a question about my digestion. Anything does for me. Canary birds is a sort of bird mostly found in European countries. So probably most of you have not seen this kind of bird. So here I have come with the picture. This is a canary bird. As you can see, it is yellowish, mean yellow in color. But let me tell you, there is one more variety of such kind of birds. They are sometimes reddish also, but mostly they are found in yellow color. So this kind of bird, they feed on means they eat sugar and seeds. Parrots have crackers to crunch. Means crackers to crunch means they eat something crunchy like a crunchy biscuit. And as for the poodles, they tell me the noodles. Now poodles is a dog breed which is found in Germany. So you must not have seen such kind of dogs in India, but a kind of toy whose structure is similar to this kind of dogs is sold in our country. So poodles, they love to eat noodles. They love having chicken and cream for their lunch. So basically canary birds eat sugar and seeds. Parrots have crackers. Poodles love to eat noodles, chickens and cream. But there's never a question about my digestion. So here the camel starts complaining that every kind of animals, as you can see, has something specific to eat. But when it comes to my food, my diet, there is no specific thing which can be said that it belongs to a camel or basically eaten by camel. So nobody bothers what he likes. My digestion means nobody really cares what I have to eat. Anything does for me. Now means anything, whatever I am given, I just eat it. Or everything suits me. That's what other people think about me. So here, anything, just notice, anything is written in capital letter. This is to emphasize the feelings that how much he feels bad when humans don't consider his comfort. So in the first stanza, the camel compares its food with the food of canary birds, parrots and poodles. Next come to the second stanza. Cats, you are aware, can repose in a chair. Chickens can roost upon rails. Puppies are able to sleep in the stable, and oysters can slammer in pails. But no one supposes a poor camel dozes any place does for me. So cats, you are aware, can repose in a chair. Repose means rest. Now again the camel complains, saying that cats finds themselves very comfortable sitting or resting in a chair. Chickens can roost upon rails. Roost means basically rest or to sit somewhere. Rails means a bar of wood or metal fixed horizontally for any of various purposes, as for a support, barrier, fence, or railing. Puppies are able to sleep in the stable, means they find themselves comfortable sitting and sleeping in the stable. Stable means a building in which domestic animals are sheltered and fed. And oysters can slammer in pails. Now first of all, notice the pronunciation slammer. The spelling is S-L-U-M-B-E-R and it's pronounced as slammer, not slumber. Same as plumber, P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Very often we mispronounce it as plumber, means the person whose job is to install or repair and maintains pipings or fittings involved in the distribution and use of water in a building. So very often we call them plumber, but actually the correct pronunciation is plumber. So in both the cases the B is silent. So this is slummer. So oysters can slammer in pails. Oysters are found near oceans or in shallow waters also you can find them. So oysters can slammer means slip in pails. Pails means the outer structure. So this is the pail. Outer structure is called pail. But no one supposes a poor camel dozes, means again sleep. Dozes means sleep. So nobody bothers, nobody thinks about a place which can only belongs to camel like cat, chicken, puppies, oysters have. All have their special places where they like to sleep. But for a camel, there is no specific place. Any place, again in capital letter, any place does for me, means the camel finds again that he has been taken for granted. So in the second stanza, the camel complains about his sleeping place. It compares itself with cats, chickens, puppies, oysters, which have their particular places to sleep, but for camel, any place is just okay. So students, today up to this only. In the next presentation, we will discuss the other complaints of the camel and we will come to know what message is conveyed through the poem. Thank you.